Hey everybody, we are back at it once again, taking another look at a 2026 Disney Pixar Cars case. This here is case D. This is probably one of the better cases we have seen, in the main line so far, although I believe case E might be a little bit better, or even case F as well. But without further ado, let's get straight into the case right now, starting off with the duplicates in the case. So, yeah, a new variant, which is mated with balloon, as we can see here. This is actually new to card on this, card here. And, yep, here is a new Chinese variant, as you can see here. Give a look at the card if you are interested. As you can see here, it does say made in China. There is two of this guy in the case. There is also two Well Grand Prix Lightning McQueens in this case. As we can see here, a really cool character. Really glad to see this one back. There is two Radiator Springs Lightning McQueens in this case. The Chase, the metallic True, even though he's not even a Chase at all. Yep, you can see there, he is, in this case, made in China. So there is there is also two Copters in this case. Again, she is back in the Racing Rescue series, although this is a completely new Chinese variant, so it is actually slightly different compared to her previous, Thailand one that was released in 2025, in like the last case of the year. You can see here, she's still got the Racing Rescue line. Made in China, and I should say there is only going to be the one car on the back of all of these packages, because this is obviously, European packaging, so they only have the one car on the back. So yep, that is the ones that are two in the case. The rest here are one per case. So yep, here we have Mel Dorado here. As you can see, it's still in his incorrect yellow colour, so I guess this is going to be his colour going forward. But yep, this is obviously a new China variant. I will be taking a close look at him on the channel on Sunday, so stay tuned, subscribe to see, the full new variants of the Case D highlights. Previously in Case C, we got Case B, sorry, I apologise. Case C here is in, and he is a new variant because he has the black outlining around his eyes there, as we can see, and yeah, we can see the one car on the back for Francesco Bonoli. Hauling Gas is back in this case as well, so yeah, one of the cooler Piston Cup races. If they are going to, keep reintroducing one, Hall is definitely one that they should keep bringing back, for sure. Obviously, some classic ones. Again, the King is in the case, although if you don't want more duplicate Kings, then I would go and get the 2-pack with him with Roger Wheeler, which is coming out later on this year, in a few months' time. So, yep, stay tuned for that video when that comes out. Yep, obviously, I have already done a video on him, comparing him to his previous Thailand release. Up next, we have JD Mcpillar, which is one of the newer ones to the case. This is the newest one to the case. We can see here, the Toe Cab Racer. Again, back from China. His previous release from China was like back in multi-packs, so he is pretty hard to get hold of. But yeah, I'm really glad to see this guy back, and he is slightly different compared to his previous Thailand one back in 2021. Richie Gunza is also in this case, so if you didn't have a problem getting him the first time around, well then he is back, as you can see here. Really cool. Again, I believe this is the European packaging. Up next, we have a fabulous Lightning McQueen who is in this case as well, as we can see here. Obviously, this is the lighter blue variant for some weird reason. Really cool release though. Glad to see him back. Along with Dirt Track Fabulous Hudson Hornet, so that this is the Cars 3 variant. And obviously, again, made in China now, as you can see. Really cool stuff. I did actually manage to find the entire case of Smith's Toys, so if I do, I'll throw an image on your screen of what that looks like, just very quickly, guys. But yeah, there's an image. I can't believe I actually managed to unbox an entire case, but I didn't need the whole case, so I didn't unbox it. But yeah, welcoming back Luigi and Guido, and this is probably going to be one of the main highlights actually, because for the first time in ages, they've seemed to have swapped the two characters around. If I do remember, I will add an image. The previous packaging, from last year, previous years, where Luigi is on the side of his artwork and Guido is on the side of his artwork. But not only that, Guido has a completely new variation, obviously new expression, so I cannot wait to compare him to some of our previous Guidos in the video on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And obviously, I did forget to say, if you're interested, that is the back, to say made in China. Up next is Lizzie. It's always nice to see Lizzie in the case. She always sells. Just because she's a classic car. Another one is good to see back is Sally. Again, this is the eyeliner variant from the 5-pack. Now in the main line. Nothing too special about her. Marilyn is also back. Yippee. Nobody really cares, I guess. She's probably the least interesting one in this entire case here, if I'm being honest with you guys. Up next is probably the weirdest one out of the entire case. Mike 07. But we're not getting Diddy 05. Maybe this is a hint to Mattel and Pixar finally releasing the Protect and Serve cartoon shop. Well, not cartoon, but Tales of Radiator Springs in the near future for the 20th anniversary. Maybe, hopefully. But yeah, this will be doing a video on tomorrow on the channel, because this is the only one that I feel like needs a separate video because of how popular Mike is. As you can see here, yep, there's the back. Made in China. And we have some Race and Rescue cars. Cruz is actually pretty cool because she is darker yellow variant, so I really do like this one. Jackson Storm is back as well in this case. As you can see here, Jackson Storm in China. Nothing too special about those two. And the last one in this case is the Transforming Dinoco Lightning McQueen. Always sells. I don't see any problems with this one hanging around on the pegs. When I went to Smith's Toys, I only saw like 2 of this guy, and he has been in multiple cases so far in 2026. So I'm really glad to see him back. Obviously, one of the first car I reviewed in 2026, actually, for the 2026 main line. But yeah, that is it for the case, well, fake case unboxing, but I did actually manage to find a whole case. So there is the case. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video on Mike 07 and on Sunday for the rest of the highlights. I cannot wait to show you guys just how cool these are. Hopefully cases E and F will be out very soon. And until the very next video, which will be in a few hours time, peace everybody.